careful when you replace the harmonic balancer. You say, okay, I am going to use this one. It's used, but it's in good condition and looks perfect, but you don't know if it's damaged. How you know if a harmonic balancer is damaged? Can you see that the harmonic balancer have two rings, one external ring and other central hub, and is connected in the middle with a piece of rubber. You see the rubber here? It's a band of rubber, metal, and the rubber. What is the function of that band of rubber between both rings? Here is the crankshaft, and here is the pulley with the belt. No, when the engine is rotating, the maximum torque is in the center hub, and when you change the RPMs, more or less RPMs, this element moves in opposite direction than the external ring, and the rubber absorb that momentum and keep the balance. This is why this element is called harmonic balancer, to keep the movement harmonic. No, it's nice, no? It's a rubber. In some diesel engines, this piece of rubber in the middle is a liquid gel, no, to absorb that. Okay, this one normally is damaged because the people don't use the proper puller, the proper extractor to remove this. You remember the extractor that we use is with three. It's special for that. Some people use external, and they try to remove with the external ring and damage the rubber between both of them. Loose, that is good, but it's broken. And when it's rotating, it's vibrating, no absorbing. It's incredible, no? Never try to use harmonic balancer from other engine.
So basically,
Can you balance it that?
No, I prefer the new one
Okay.
because I know that it's original.
well, once you replace it,